Poppy. Today let's find out 27 different words which start with the letter S. This is how the alphabet S looks like in the uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. S for strawberry. Strawberry. S for sheep. Sheep. S for seahorse. Seahorse. S for shark. Shark. S for snail. Snail. S for stick insect. Stick insect. S for seal. Seal. S for snake. Snake. S for sun. Sun. S for sky. Sky. S for star. Star. S for sea. Sea. S for ship. Ship. S for snowman. Snowman. S for soil. Soil. S for school. School. S for stairs. Stairs. S for shop. Shop. S for shelf. Shelf. S for spoon. Spoon. S for sunglasses. Sunglasses. S for scarf. Scarf. S for sword. Sword. S for scissors. Scissors. S for shoes. Shoes. S for sandals. Sandals. And lastly, S for socks. Socks. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different words which start with the letter S. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.